Do things now. Don't put things off because you never know when you're going to pass away.
Hey guys, welcome back. We're here with another fantastic episode, Bib Lifestyle, Be Your Best Body, where we eat to heal. I'm Jamie Graff, and we're here with Jeff Blue.
Hey there.
So we are on week number three. We are on the end of week number 3. Jeff, how you feeling?
I feel great. I feel leaner. I feel a little bit stronger. I've gone through an immense amount of stress, but I feel more attentive and more focused. And when I'm on my cheat days, when I'm able to eat like kind of junkier foods, I don't feel like they're good for me.
Yeah, you're starting to notice what that food's doing inside your body.
True.
That's good. You know, what I wanted to touch on this episode, Jeff, is time. You know, as we know, time stops for nobody. And time is of the essence, and time is the most valuable asset that we all have. And a lot of times people, you know, we don't know what we're going to do with our lives. Some people, they don't figure out what they want to do with their lives till they're maybe in their 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s, sometimes 60s. You just never know. Things change. Opportunities come up, and then we realize things that, oh my gosh, this is what I was meant to do, you know. And it's so important to take care of your health so that over those years, until you come to that point where you do figure out what it is you feel like you were meant to do with your life, you know, you understand, but you want to be healthy in that time.
100%.
And, you know, I know you've had a lot of things that you've done. You've been very successful over the years. You know, you're still young. You look great. You're young at heart. You've got a lot of energy. You know, we had discussed the other day, we were talking about this this podcast you were listening to.
It was a book, yeah.
It was a book, you
Audio
know.
book, yeah.
And what was it talking about? You were...
It was called Die with Zero.
Die with Zero.
Not a great title, but it's very apropos because it talks about doing everything now. Don't put things off because the loss that you have of spending money and getting your health good when you're young is much more important than when you're older, because you can't use the money when you're older, and you'll regret everything because you won't be able to enjoy all those things that, you know, would be experiences when you're older, because your body won't physically be able to, no matter how healthy you are. And ironically, a lot of the stuff I was listening to it really motivated me, but I also was happy because when I was listening to it, it talks about working out when you're younger. And I started working out when I was about, I would say, 14 years old. Mm-hmm. So I always loved the gym and, you know, exercise, and to me, that's so important in incorporating that, because it's harder to do when you're older. It's harder to start a healthy lifestyle when you're older.
To get into that energy, that mode right there, yeah.
Yeah, so time is very, very important. Do things now. Don't put things off, because you never know when you're going to pass away. And unfortunately, my sister just passed this last week, and you know, it's horrible.
At a young age as well.
Yeah, very young. Because she got into bad habits when she was younger. She didn't eat healthy. She was very, very skinny, but she also, you know, got involved with other things that weren't healthy. So, you know, this has come at a very good time for me, and to motivate me to take advantage of my life, you know? And get fit and healthy and eat clean at this stage of my life as well.
I'm happy to hear that, you know. It was just meant to be. You know, it was just meant to be. I met Jeff through the previous contestant, David, our type 1 diabetic, who had a huge transformation. And Jeff was so inspired by David's transformation that he reached out to me, that he wanted to give the Bib Lifestyle a chance and see what it can do for him. And that's what we're doing. We're helping to reverse the age of time for Jeff here, so that he can live another 55 years plus and be healthy and just be able to be alive throughout that time. You know, that's
and enjoy it, not be bedridden, and to literally you know what I also found too is I had a lot of shoulder problems, and that bib stick that we've been doing, I think that's really helped as well.
That's great to hear. I'm glad that you can share that with everybody out there. You know, and that's really why I'm trying to show this to you people out there. You know, it's just food plays such a major role in our lives that most don't understand, and most people, if you ask them, they don't know how to eat healthy or what eating healthy truly is, because we've been so misguided, and as long as you have yourself today, there is time today for you to make that change, for you to start focusing more on your health so that you can live a longer, more productive, more active life and enjoy it more. Because that's what this opportunity we all have is being alive.
Absolutely.
It's one in a quadrillion. We're very special individuals, to be alive and to get to enjoy this present day that we're all experiencing with technology and just the way life
100%.
is. This is a true gift that I wish all of you out there can understand and appreciate. Your health is one of the most important things that you should be paying attention to on a daily basis and living life and enjoying it, because who knows how much time you've got left. It can be gone tomorrow just like that, but we want to make sure we enjoy today.
100%.
Yeah. Well, Jeff, we've got the food for you here for these next couple days. I chopped up the rest of those mixed greens. They're looking delicious right here. We gave you the last of the
Awesome.
the grains and the beans in there, so it's all mixed together for
Very
your
cool.
salads. Feel how heavy that is. That's a hearty bowl.
That is a heavy ass salad.
Yeah, and what about this fruit bowl? I did the same thing.
Nice.
Very hearty, very healthy, and you're enjoying
Yep.
these, right? You're taking these down
Yeah.
with these, or
The pineapple has been a little hard lately, but everything else
it
is
just
delicious.
wasn't as ripe.
Right,
or-
and it's hard to. Yeah, you gotta eat those pineapples ripe.
Yeah,
know.
you got. I try to.
Oh no,
time-
it's not your fault.
yeah,
It's just like pineapple is great, but it's those are the
Yeah.
only thing I was having a hard time eating, and then some of the apple was but
just because of
apple's
the
good.
oxidation from it, or
I think just in general, I think the most delicious things are the honey. Well, honeydew if we had that. I think we had it the first time. Papaya. The papaya is always great.
mango,
Mango's amazing,
Yeah.
and then
bananas.
pineapple when it's good.
Yeah, pineapple when it's good. All right, and you're still the beet juices. You're still taking those.
Beet
down
juice every
day?
morning, no matter what. Even on my cheat day, I want the beet juice. But even I don't like the taste of it per se, but I'm getting used to it now.
Yeah, yeah.
And so yeah, no, and I feel that has been a big asset for me. I feel it's been a cleansing agent for some reason.
And because it is. It's filtering your body. It's taking all the good nutrients from the food that you put in and from your intestines and your stomach, and it's releasing the bad nutrients, getting rid of them, and
Right.
taking the good nutrients and spreading those out through the rest of your organs. That's what the beet juice. Well, it's going into the liver. The liver's doing that, but the beet juice is cleansing the liver, and it gives the body. It puts more oxygen in the blood to give you more energy.
Got it.
That's what it's doing. Yeah. So here we have it, guys. The end of week number 3 for Jeff Blue. We had a nice little talk on time. So get out there, enjoy your time. Don't waste it, because it is so precious. Guys, always remember, from one kitchen to the next, be your best body.